Hi Jonathan, I'm Dylan Jimenez.
Dylan Jimenez, pleased to meet you. My name is Jonathan Castillo and I will be your interviewer, okay? Where? Start. Dylan, you're a mechanical engineer. Could you tell me around your career?
Yes, of course, it's an excellent career to develop mathematical skills, as well as analysis of certain specifications in an engineering, in a flow, and why not? Is the resistance of some material.
You're studying and trying to work. Which are your skills?
Designing and innovating.
Do you like to work in office or want to work at, in workshop?
Especially in the workshop, that's the field of work. I like the practice.
How would you use knowledge in the company?
I mentioned you about and in a not word first look after analyzed work and developed the action to finally check my results.
Speaking about your career, can you explain how an internal combustion engine at 40?
An engine typically has four phases that it has to go through to perform a full cycle. These are 1. Admission cycle. The piston goes down into the cylinder sucking a mixture of oxygen and fuel through the inlet valve, while the outlet is closed. 2. Compression cycle. Both valves close. The piston goes up, compressing the oxygen and fuel mixture. 3. Explosion cycle. The spark plug produces a small chispa and the mixture and the explosion that causes the piston to come down, producing movement. 4. Exhaust cycle. The piston rises again and the outlet valve opens, allowing the gas produced by the explosion to escape.
How can the piston's movement to move the car?
The way the moment of force in the crankshaft moves, since it's a crank mechanism that's performed by the crankshaft.
Can you tell me about your curriculum at the university?
Well, I got really interesting, like electrical and electronic systems, and alternative technologies for where I saw the difference between a mechanic and a mechanical engineer.
How can you two use that in the work?
The knowledge gained in the subjects impart them in the industry.
About manufacture process, um, have you experienced out of school, for example, in a workshop?
No, I didn't.
Have you knowledge before studying mechanical engineer?
No, I actually had a lot of concert is knowing how an engine works.
What were your goals as a student and what are now?
Putting up a workshop and managing it now gaining experience.
You are a recent graduate and you have an experience, okay? What you can offer me that others can't?
The knowledge that throughout my subject I curious and well as the practice clear professionality.
Considering your knowledge experience, how much you want to get?
I will have no limits. Every day you learn something new. So the more the better.
Why are you want to be a member of team? For what?
Because I know that here I will be able to project my knowledge in this great company.
Okay, Dylan, pleased to meet you. With me is all. Have an excellent day. Thank you for your time.
Okay, Jonathan, thank you so much.
Hi Dylan, good afternoon. Well, tell me about you. Um, While you were in the school, what was the most difficult for you?
Maybe it was adapting to the afternoon schedule since it was online.
How do you handle a personal problem?
First, I see the cause, I seek help or another option, or advice from someone else and look it for how I can fix it.
In a low productivity problem, how could you act in this situation?
First, let's for poor management by the motion, planning tasks, demanding commitment, and training staff.
Why did you study IMA and not another career?
Because I was struck by operation of the engine and also how the mechanical parts are assembled or designed.
Which do you think is more important, motivation or commitment?
For me, it's motivation because with that I can have the rest as is the commitment willingly and not force the staff.
What was your motivation to study IMA?
That I was good at designing and creating ideas.
What do you do consider yourself good at?
Creatively as it is to design parts as well as how to assemble or assemble.
What do you do consider yourself bad at?
Accounting even though I don't like it I'm not good though no so bad.
What do you think are your flaws?
I getting hungry fast or despairing as well as being something impulsive.
What are your goals?
Gains much more mechanical knowledge and experience.
How do you plan to achieve them?
Continue studying and implementing.
What are your three most important values?
Number one, respect. Number two, humility. Number three, solidarity.
How do, how do you work under pressure?
I work well, even though I work better when I have my own clear time. We call extending.
What is your attitude to failure?
First, learn from my mistakes so I don't make them again.
Have you used any kind of drug?
Because I think that can make you less efficient.
Has status?
No, because I think that the appearance of my body will be greatly affected.
How is your family environment?
My family is very close in terms of helping is very minded with values and consider that the atmosphere is very quiet.
What place do you prefer to go on the weekend?
I'd rather visit a restaurant with my girlfriend, go to the movies or some amusement park.
Hello, Dylan. Nice to meet you. I mentioned you today to guide you answer to the interview that my father did. I see that you are very skilled person to think and reason to solve a problem. That speaks you of you and you have good control of emotion. When you are under pressure you think and carry on the work. You adquire the appropriate and necessary and can know but you do not have much experience in industrial area. We are going to test your words because you have the profile of the skill and kernel that are in hydraulics, mechanic, motors, electric, among other than when not in the company. Buddhists still want to test how you fit into our because you have not bet much in the area industrial. We will give you an opportunity to see how you develop in the company. We will guide you little and training you are so that you can know where you are going to work. Depending on the well we guys you the contract to see you accept you think you are capable of being on the off time.